You asked, how to divide 11,250 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 3,750.